Jasper.
What's the problem?
I'm finished.
What's the problem? Come. What's the problem now?
Mr. K has finished me, Jasper.
Mr. K again? I warned you about that young man. I warned you.
How would I have known?
See the kind of mess he has put you into.
Jasper, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So what's your plan now?
I've chased him away. Yes.
You chased him away?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good one now. Have you called Jamaican man?
I'm cold. He's not picking up.
He's not picking?
Yes.
He was really upset. And you know how Jamaican man used to act? Eh?
And my brothers, they messed up. They messed everything
Yeah, you know
up.
man sent your brothers to beat him up? Yeah, you know the one?
Never! My Jamaican man!
Your Jamaican man? You were there, your brothers lifted him and threw him out of the house.
Oh, that's
out of his own house.
Jasper, please, just help me speak to him. Please, Jasper, please. Jasper, please.
No. Sit.
Will you help me?
See,
Jasper, will you help me?
I am going to help you. I'm going to help you talk to Jamaican man, okay?
Thank you.
Just relax, calm yourself down.
How would I relax? Please help me.
Don't worry, I will talk to him.
Please already help me, please.
See, just calm down because of your situation. Just calm down. I'm going to talk to Jamaican man,
Thank
and I believe
you.
he's going to accept.
Thank you.
Okay?
Alright.
It's okay. Take it easy, okay?
Okay.
Let me start going now.
Alright, thank you.
Jamaican man, what are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Me not the Jamaican. They chased me out of my own house. Hey! I will deal with them.
You have to deal with them. Deal with them very, very well.
My men are coming all the way from Malaysia, Indonesia, Bulgaria, Jamaica.
Please let them come.
Kingston.
We have to make a statement. You have to deal with this boss. This boss have to drive you away from your house. Jamaican man. Somebody said it. Please come in.
Jamaican man,
Jasper.
this is where you are drinking. You left your family and you're here drinking.
God have mercy upon us. You are welcome. You don't come. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Jamaican man.
Do you know that they wanted to kill this man? You know they wanted to kill this man?
Calm down, that's why I'm here. I know that his house is on fire. And that's why I'm here to quench that fire.
What are you even saying?
Jamaican man.
Bombo clad.
Jamaican man.
What is this man even saying?
Listen to me. They pursue black goods for daytime. I don't know if you get my point. Your wife is feeling so bad that you're out of her life. She's feeling so bad of what your friend did to you. In fact, as I'm talking to you, your wife has chased him away.
What?
Really?
Yes, now she has chased him away.
What?
See, as I'm talking to you, your wife has chased that young man away. It is high time. Jamaican man, it is high time you go back to your family. Your wife needs you badly. Jamaican man, who is this one? I cannot stay here and you carry side chick. It's an error. When you have a family,
Jamaican man. This hold your point here. Hold your point.
Hey! Jamaican man, you are not known for this. Chop here.
Jamaican man. Cholaya. Keep it Cholaya.
This man!
Oh, Jezebel.
Push! Jezebel!
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre.
Push! Not to let you go, Bob. Once you push, get out.
Bombo Bobo clan, what are we waiting for?
Bobo! Bobo to the family, man!
To the family.
Hey!
Hey,
God have mercy upon us.
Jamaica, my Jamaica, forgive me. Please forgive me. I'm ashamed of myself. Please forgive me, my love. I was deceived. Mr. KDC told me you were dead. I'm sorry. This is your home. Please come back. Forgive me.
Jamaican man, listen to your wife. Please forgive her.
Jamaican man, please take it easy on her. Take it easy, because
It's my love.
forgive her. Please take it easy on her.
What of this belele? This belele.
Say something. Say something.
But now that's it. That should become.
Anywhere we pikin come out, make it prepared for that place.
God,
Jamaican man, forgive us.
Forgive us for that.
Please, my love. Please, my Jamaica. Please.
Say no more. Assam.
Yeah, my Jamaica.
Assam.
My
God have mercy upon us.
Assam.
My Jamaica.
Assam. Assam.
He's my husband. He's back.
You push. Bobo clan.
God have mercy upon us.
Push.